Want to know how to convert your code into a function? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily convert your code into a simple function in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So we have also created similar videos on how to use Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. Once you have opened it up, here you should be seeing the C# code that I have right here. So you can just simply select Ctrl+A, which is select the entire code, and then select Ctrl+K, which is the quick edit. So once I've selected that, here you should be seeing the edit selected code, and you can just simply paste this prompt right here. So what it is wrapping this code into a reusable function with appropriate parameters. The symbol is like generate, and it should generate you your prompt as you can see right here. And that's it. You can just simply select keep changes and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.